Students, in this video, we will study periodic properties and its variation as we move down the group and across the period. So first atomic property is atomic size. First of all, definition of atomic size. It is the distance between the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. Units of atomic size is angstrom or picometer. Atomic size further depends upon two factors, that is number of shells and nuclear charge. First is number of shells. As we move down the group, number of shells are increasing. Now let's take an example of group number 1. First member of group number 1 is lithium, then sodium, then potassium. Lithium 2,1, sodium 281 and potassium 2,881. So as we move from lithium to potassium, number of shells are increasing. In the first case it is 2, 3 and 4. So more the number of shells, more will be the atomic size. Second factor is nuclear charge. Nuclear charge, it is the charge on the nucleus of an atom. More the nuclear charge, the last electron is attracted towards the nucleus. As last electron is attracted towards the nucleus, size will be less because there is more force of attraction between the nucleus and the outermost shell. Now let's discuss the trends as we move down the group and across the period. As we move down the group, as I told you in group number 1, the number of shells are increasing. So as number of shells are increasing, so as we move down the group, size will also increase. On the other hand, as we move across the period from left to right, nuclear charge increases. So due to increase in the nuclear charge, atomic size will decrease. Why so? Because the last electron will be strongly attracted towards the positively charged nucleus. As you know, like charges attract one another. Therefore, valence electrons will be more strongly pulled towards the nucleus and the size decreases. So across the period, size decreases due to increase in the nuclear charge. Now there are two notes. First one, cation is always smaller than the parent atom. Let's take an example of sodium. In sodium in the neutral state has electronic configuration 281, that is, it is having 3 shells. But after losing electron, it becomes positively charged atom, that is Na positive, whose electronic configuration is 2 and 8 and it has 2 shells. Now in case of neutral atom, number of shells are more, the size will be more. But in a positively charged cation, the number of shells are less, therefore size is also less. Second note is, anions have smaller size as compared to, anions have larger size as compared to parent atom. Now let's take the example of chlorine. In chlorine, electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7. After gaining electron, it becomes negatively charged, that is Cl negative, having electronic configuration 2, 8 and 8. In both the cases, number of shells are same. But in case of chloride, Cl negative, it has stable electronic configuration. So due to stable electronic configuration, instead of attraction, the last electron experiences repulsion. So due to repulsion, the last electron moves away from the nucleus, therefore size it increases. So anion has larger size as compared to parent atom. Third point is size of isoelectric ions. Isoelectric ion means which has same number of electrons. Now let's take the example Mg positive 2, Na positive, F minus and O minus 2. All these ions have same number of electrons, that is 10 in each case. But number of proton in case of magnesium is 12, sodium 11, fluoride 9 and oxygen 8. atomic size of oxygen is greater than fluorine, greater than sodium, which is greater than magnesium. Reason being, nuclear charge in magnesium is maximum as compared to other elements, and nuclear charge in O-2 is least. Therefore, the size of O-2 is greater than other elements. So, more the nuclear charge, less will be size. Now come to second periodic property, that is metallic character. Metallic character depends upon tendency to lose electrons. For example, magnesium loses 2 electrons and changes into Mg positive 2, that is 282, and after losing 2 electrons it becomes 2 and 8, that is stable, attaining octet rule. So the tendency of any element to lose electron to change into a positive ion is considered as metals. So loss of electron is known as oxidation. Therefore we may say metals are good reducing agent. Now metallic character further depends upon 2 factors. Again, first is atomic size and second one is nuclear charge. More is the size, last electron will be away from the nucleus and it is easy to remove electron. So we may say atomic size is directly proportional to metallic character. More is the size, more will be the metallic character, as the last electron experience less force of attraction and it is easy to remove. Now come to nuclear charge. More is the nuclear charge, the last electron experiences more attraction towards the nucleus, very difficult to remove, and therefore metallic character decreases. So we may say nuclear charge inversely proportional to metallic character. More the nuclear charge, less will be the metallic character. Now let's discuss the trends. Now as we move down the group, as you know, number of shells or size is increasing. So as the size is increasing, metallic character will also increase. On the other hand, as we move across the period, nuclear charge is increasing. So as the nuclear charge is increasing, metallic character will decrease. Reverse is non-metallic character, that is the fourth periodic property, non-metallic character. Non-metallic character depends upon tendency to gain electron. For example, chlorine 287, after gaining 1 electron, it becomes negatively charged ion having configuration 2, 8 and 8. So the tendency of an element to gain electron is known as non-metallic character, and it occurs in case of non-metals which has either 5, 6 or 7 electrons in the last shell. Again, it depends upon 2 factors. One is atomic size and second is nuclear charge. Now more the atomic size, last electron will be away from the nucleus, very difficult to gain electron, therefore non-metallic character decreases. So we may say atomic size is directly inversely proportional to non-metallic character. More the size, less will be non-metallic character. On the other hand, nuclear charge is directly proportional to non-metallic character, as more is the nuclear charge, the last electron experiences attraction towards the nucleus, and in the same way the incoming electrons will also experiences more force of attraction towards the nucleus. So tendency to gain electron will increase and non-metallic character will also increase. Now regarding the trends, as we are moving from top to bottom, atomic size increases, therefore non-metallic character will decrease. On the other hand, as we move across the period, nuclear charge is increasing, therefore non-metallic character will also increase. So non-metallic character depends upon the tendency to gain electrons. Now come to the next chemical Next periodic property, that is chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity also depends upon tendency to lose or tendency to gain electron. Now let's discuss the trends as we move down the group. As we move from top to bottom, as atomic size increases, tendency to lose electron increases because the last electron experiences less force of attraction. So we may say chemical reactivity will also increase. On the other hand, as we move across the period, chemical reactivity first increases, first it decreases up to group number 14, then 14 to 17 it increases. Reason is, let's take the example of a third period: sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. First the reactivity decreases from sodium to silicon, then it increases from silicon to chlorine. Reason is, it is very easy to remove one electron, difficult to remove two, and very difficult to remove 3 and 4 electron. Therefore, the chemical reactivity it decreases. On the other hand, as we move in case of non-metals, as we move from silicon to chlorine, tendency to gain electron increases. Very difficult to gain 3 electrons, easy to gain 2, and very easy to gain 1 electron. So therefore, chemical reactivity it increases from group number 14 to group number 17. Thank you.